So Umusam decided that he was going to visit Usne. When he got there, it ended up in tears again. Now Umusam was doing his speech on his 50th birthday. It ended in tears again. Or like I'm just wondering if he's being emotional because manje akagabibi right gahle, or what is going on. Now I'm a concerned citizen. Because now he actually, but the emotions that he had with Usne, I actually love it because he was appreciating Usne, and it shows more love that we as the public don't usually see. We kind of feel like Usne agamthandisisi kahle, but for the mere fact that he showed emotions towards her, it's kind of encouraging ukuthi naye umntana kuyamzala uyamthanda. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Uthando Nesthembu. Sanibonani, absheni melweni minjani? Hiphukile hingangwina. So namutlhakana ngonokuwa hina wa Uthando Nesthembu. Yo, swilo asithamisekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Umangwabe decided to take her kids for a spa date, where she then elaborated the fact that she will be leaving the father, and she wanted the kids to know ukuthi either way, whether we are hamba agahambi, the love between the kids and the both parents should stay the same, and she is not going to force them to choose. She's not gonna force them to choose or no baba if they don't want to. So she's giving them that flexibility they can do whatever that they like. And I feel like it's quite important. It's a good conversation to have to a mother to a daughter so that they can understand. It looks like the daughter has picked up some of the things that she does not like, because she asked the question, why ubaba akhuluma kanje? I don't like the way akhuluma ngakhona, and it's kind of hurting for her. Then Umangwabe says if it's a need for therapy, then she's available amthatha amhambise therapy, just in case if more therapy is needed. Hayibo yathi mayiphela laphaya sengibona ngathi abanye bafuna ukubambana ngamawashini, athi omunye athi umfazi wakho enze njani. Umangwabe undlu umayeni nomangwabe umayeni no macele yo. Yeah, but in all honesty, this just shows that these are real people dealing with real issues on a daily basis. As much as we kind of think that this thing is staged, at some point you can actually see the real emotions of people. Then you kind of realize anyway. On the other hand, Ubaba Mseleku stood up and made his speech. On his speech, he was crying out and saying a lot of things. Abantu bamthatha kancane, and then undodana wakhe uyamsaba umpumelelo because umpumelelo akazi ukuthi umile la. But I kind of feel like maybe it's because usagula, because that speech nasona it's inekiwa, it's salty, it's sweet, it's bitter, it's got a lot of emotion. Manje Umangwabe says she does not understand why everyone is crying, because like there's nothing there and aga feeling next. Mic down.